We have created Westbreeze to bring to the world travel gear designed by travelers for travelers. We have tried all of the different travel options out there, and they're all designed either with a fashion or a sport influence, but they're not really thought and designed for world travelers. Every aspect of our packing cube system is being thought out to improve every step of your journey, from the packing list feature to the ability to turn the packing cubes into a portable wardrobe. We have also improved the way the packing cubes fit within your suitcase or travel luggage, allowing you to bring one or all of the 3 packing cubes, still leaving extra room for your dog kit and tech kit. We're using only premium materials from ripstop water-resistant nylon to metal hardware for the hanger and world-renowned YKK zippers to ensure that this product will last a lifetime. And most importantly, we know what travel stands for. We don't want to just explore the world, but we want to protect it. Our packing cube system and Westbreeze stand to always give 1% of our annual profit towards wildlife conservation, to always use recycled materials and sustainable practices anytime we can, and most importantly, to build products that will be with you for 1,000 trips and do not end up in the landfill. This is Westbreeze, back as year on Kickstarter, and take home one of the very first Westbreeze packing cube system.